on, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Today we're in Florida, and the reason why we're in Florida today is we're going to be checking out some rental properties. I had a rental property out here that I sold, and I'm doing what they call a 1031 exchange. So what that means is once you sell your property, in order to defer paying taxes on those profits, you have to use all of those profits to purchase another property within about like 180 days. So that's the reason why I'm here. I'm gonna check out a few properties and bring you guys along with me. I'm excited, so let's go. So we're on our way to check out some properties. We got 3 properties we're gonna check out. All of them are gonna be 2-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 1 bath. Some of them 2-bedroom, 2 bath. And the rents that I can get for them range anywhere from like about $1,300 to $1,475. Yeah, so hopefully we find a property that we really like. Check out this boat right here. Wow, just love the Florida weather. Got Prestige Auto Spa. Prestige Imports. One of these days we'll come down here and get our Lamborghini. One of these days I'll come to Lamborghini Miami and get my Lamborghini. Woo. Oh, we got some nice Lambos out here. So we're checking out this property right now. The first property is a 2-bedroom, 2 bath. Let's see how it looks. What's up, guys? So it's a new day. We checked out some properties yesterday. Glad that I could bring you guys along with me to check out check out these properties. And yeah, so the hunt continues on finding this replacement property for 1031 exchange that we're doing. I'm excited. I can't wait to get this done with and finish up this search. And I'm still renovating that 1-bedroom apartment in New York, so I haven't finished that one. I'm still working on that one, so I can't wait to show you the before and after of that one as well. So stay tuned for that video.